Hello, welcome to our another video. In this video, we are discussing a serious topic, that is dopamine. What is this dopamine thing means? So dopamine is basically a drug which is released by our brain when we are expecting a reward or when we are expecting a pleasure. So how it can spoil our future and it takes our life decision. This dopamine thing, I can give you an example that how this dopamine thing works. If I will give you an option that I will give you 1 hour phone or 1 hour a book, which one will you choose? Give me honestly. You choose phone. I think if you are a normal person, you choose phone. Why you are choosing phone? Because when you are on social media or when you are running a phone, your dopamine level is high, your brain releases dopamine and that dopamine gives you pleasure. So how this dopamine can spoil your future? You can say when you are indulge in high dopamine activities when running phone, eating junk foods, eating pizza, eating ice cream, or high dopamine things are playing. If you are very happy with playing, then playing is also releases dopamine. Or you can say smoking cigarette, it also releases dopamine in your mind. When you are in that type of situation that your dopamine release is very high, then after that thing, if you study, then you cannot study. Why? Because when you do the things which indulge high dopamine things, then you cannot do the things which indulge low dopamine. Means your mind can say that oh, why can I study, it cannot give me pleasure. Why it cannot give you pleasure? Because it is a low dopamine thing. So that's how you became in a vicious circle of this dopamine. So how can you overcome this problem and become a great man? So to overcome this problem, there is a situation called dopamine detox. What is this dopamine detox means? This dopamine detox basically means that you have to away from high dopamine things like your phone, like social media, like junk food, like cigarette smoking, like if you are drug addict, then drug addiction, this type of things. You have to away from that things and you have to apply the things which indulge low dopamine. The best example of low dopamine things is studying indulges low dopamine. So because of that, we cannot get pleasure when we are studying, and we get pleasure when we are running our phones. This is how it works. So what you have to do is in 1 week, 2 days you cannot run your phone. That's how this dopamine things works. When in a week, 2 days you cannot run your phone, your mind say, oh okay, for 2 days phone is not there, so we can do low dopamine things and we can study. That's how it works. This is the only way to get out of this vicious circle of dopamine. I know this is very difficult thing to control your mind and get away from high dopamine things, but you have to do it, but because you want a great future. If you don't want a great future, then do that things. I do not give a bullshit about that. But if you 1% only want a good future and a good fortune in future, so you have to do this thing and try these things. So hope this video is very helpful for you. I think this dopamine thing is very important for students. That's why I make the video on this topic. So hope this video helps.